Hi everyone, welcome to this new vlog. My name is Eva. I don't know if anyone even knows my name besides most people that watch my videos because they know me already. Yeah, today I'm going to start a new vlog again. I'm going to go to a friend and we're going to chill and work together. I don't really have like work, but I can draw a little bit. Yesterday I made like a really fun drawing and a funny reel, in my opinion, of like a Francis Bacon redesign. And I thought it was really funny, and I was so hyped about it that I made it, that I woke up very early, and I'll probably get tired during the day. I don't know. I get very overwhelmed by things that scare me, but also that make me happy. I'm wearing this dress that originally was from my grandma, I think in the 80s or something, and I love it. Today I gave my friend a print of one of my Pisces drawings, because I'm trying to draw all the zodiac signs, and I promised her to give her a print of Pisces because that's her zodiac sign, and I finally didn't forget it when we meet up, so I finally gave it to her. You know, suddenly Evert is home from his job, but I was explaining I might already take a shower and wash and color my hair, because as a professional autistic person I can really feel like the layers, like grossness on my scalp, and it really annoys me. And also each time I meet up with that particular friend I have pimples here, so it's probably her fault.
Yes.
And I'm also sweating because it's very hot outside, but I promise I'm actually a very sexy person in real life. This night there was like a very big storm. Oh, and also yesterday I started a TikTok account. Although I never wanted a TikTok account, but I just wanted to try it out, and I don't know if I'll actually use it that much. And I just uploaded my reel that I also showed in this video. And it also already has like 500 views, which is nice.
But now I own it. I ain't sorry for a damn thing, know that. I was fabulous at birth, I was glowing.
We're actually only going to buy these chairs because everything we wanted isn't in stock here, so we will probably order it online. Good morning, guys. I know I look very rough, but I just got up and I'm going to do my morning. I'm going to do my morning walk, although it's already 11 a.m. And maybe this afternoon I'll do a drawing in my sketchbook, maybe, if I feel like it. And then tomorrow I'm going to Antwerp because there's like a Counter-Strike competition going on. And at first I was like, yeah, I can come, because I thought it was like in a cafe or something. And in the meantime I could just sketch in my sketchbook or play on my Switch, but it's like in a very huge like venue, and I don't know. I wasn't expecting that, and it will be like a few hours, so I hope I survive because I know nothing about Counter-Strike. Of course Evert does because he's a gamer, but okay, every time she poos she gets very active. I don't know, apparently that's a thing with cats. A Counter-Strike, good. I don't even know the name anymore at this point.
Number one with a chance ring.
doing face mask while watching a tutorial on how to make an Android theme because I really want to design my own theme, or at least like the icons.
On my face and I'm only 23. And that's just speaking for me. You hit that certain age.
I'm here with a quick check-in on the sofa as usual. Also, I'm wearing like the same outfit for the third day now, but as long as my clothes aren't stanky, I'm gonna keep wearing them. Yesterday I did another recreation of like a masterpiece. And I did the swing. I don't know the name of the of the artist actually, which is kind of bad, but now it's like an original Hippie Fragonard artwork anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But I really like to do this series of like recreating artworks because it's really chaotic, but it still looks kind of nice, but it's also very simple and funny, but I also really like it. So I think I'll keep doing this series because I don't know, it's so much fun, and I spend like 1 hour on each sketch. I've only done 2 so far, but it's really enjoyable to do and also really funny. I painted like a man who was laying on the ground, but Evert says he looks kind of like Elsa, and also on the background like the man who is pushing the swing, I guess. His arms look very derpy, but it's so funny, and I also love the result. So we actually first went to a fancy restaurant and I got distressed, so we went to Pizza Hut to play it safe because they don't have very complicated ingredients that make me scared. So we just cleaned the whole house and it looks a lot better now. We're still renovating a lot, so it isn't perfect yet, but look how nice it looks already. Like, this is still an area that needs to be like completely organized. And we also removed the paper from the kitchen floor. If you've watched previous vlogs, you know that there was like dirty paper on the ground to protect it, but we decided to just remove it, and I also cleaned the kitchen and it looks so good now. I love it. So this is the kitchen. Oh, the light is still on. We have these ugly stickers on our bathroom wall, and our light switch is a bit derpy. And here we have our bathroom with a lot of laundry that I still have to do. Here is Mona, her bed, I guess, for at night, because we lock her up here, not only in the bathroom but also like in this thing, and she also can go to her litter box and stuff like that. And I cleaned everything here. I'm so proud. Here's me. I love how the kitchen looks now. Evert is still in his underwear. I am as well, so. And also there might be some dishes underneath this thing, but nobody will know. Money! Oh, and also Evert drew this for me. The frame is very, very dusty, but just only look at his drawing. It's also raining in the game, just like it's raining in real life. Wow. Hi guys, it's now Tuesday. Yesterday was a very weird day. I played Stardew Valley all day and I just installed the game 2 days ago, so like my whole day was dedicated to Stardew Valley and I felt really weird. I also had something very funny happen to me. Well, not as funny when it happened, but I went to the mine and it was evening when I got out of the mine and I wanted to get to my home quicker. So what did I do? I quit the game, expecting it would save and that I would be able to restart and then I would be in my house, but it doesn't save when you quit the game. So my whole day was reset and I was so angry about it. And Evert was like, yeah, it's not that unusual that it doesn't save when you quit the game, and those almost were his last words. And once I like stopped, I got really panicky because I suddenly realized I'm in the real world and I have responsibilities and I have to take care of myself, which was really stressful. First I want to work on that Samsung team designer thing that I mentioned yesterday. I still have 2 days left. Also, like a fun fact, well, it's not really like a fun fact or anything, but I actually have a bachelor degree in UI design. Why did I say that so weird? UI design. Also like developing and graphic design and stuff like that. It was a very big package of college education. And I studied that instead of like illustration or something because I was like, I need to study something that really will provide me a good job, to later realize that I'm actually disabled, so I can't even work in the first place. But I have my degree now and I have not used it since graduating actually. The Samsung devices already have a user interface, so it's not really like I'm going to design it for them. It's more like the graphic design elements, like the icons, backgrounds, stuff like that. But I'm really excited about it because that's the part that I actually enjoy about design. It's a more artistic stuff that I enjoy. You actually need to upload like 3 different designs, which is kind of a lot for me. And also I got my package from the items I ordered, but also one of the 3 items I ordered got damaged or isn't in stock anymore, something like that. So only 2 arrived, but I actually ordered 3 of them because then I had like a discount. So it isn't too bad because I still got my discount anyway. And the 2 items that were able to ship out were the ones that I wanted the most. So I'm really excited. Also we just wanted like some posters for our drinks and glasses for on our living room table. Let's check them out. I think both items are from the same brand as well. Also, like, obviously I'm really into purple lately, and before this year I never used purple ever, and now I'm like obsessed with purple, but I'm probably like a bit influenced by the trends, but I don't care. Because like purple is very trendy, I think, at the moment. It's really pretty. Also this Thursday, Evert and I and like my whole family will do a photo shoot. So I'm really hoping we'll get like a cute picture that I can use to frame in this beautiful frame. I love it so much. And then the other thing, Clevering. It's like a brand from Amsterdam. Just nice, it's quite local. I think I already like broke it. It literally flew out of my hands. Well, you probably saw it. This is what it looks like, but this thing flew off the top, which is so typical for me. Evert always like, make sure you don't drop this particular thing, and I'm like, I drop everything all the time. I can't really control it. But I'm guessing this is supposed to... Oh, maybe it wasn't even glued on anyway. It kind of just sits like this. But these are very cute coasters. Yeah, that's it for my unboxing, which kind of ended to be kind of tragic. Okay guys, I have no idea how I will make 3 teams in one day. I have this now, which I think is really cute, but like I really don't want to make 2 other teams, and I think I could even work on this team a bit longer. But I don't know, I'm just a bit demotivated because I only have like 2 days. So today I'm going to prepare lasagna. I have like a backdrop of underwear behind me, which is kind of weird and disturbing. I'm gonna chop up the veggies first. Yeah, kind of probably know the process of cooking already. Hi everyone, it's now Thursday and today we had like a family party gathering or something, and we did a photo shoot for my grandma's birthday, and it was really funny because my niece was taking the picture because she's a professional photographer and she specialized in couple shoots. And it was really funny because we had to do all like romantic stuff, and I don't know, it was really funny because we aren't romantic at all. Yesterday I made a drawing that I really like. I was feeling very bad because I was having my period. I still have my period, and I was thinking maybe I can draw something and then I will feel better about myself, and it actually worked. And then this morning I made another illustration that I was thinking about yesterday evening when I couldn't fall asleep, and I made a little animation of it. I really like it, and I also posted it on TikTok, and I post some clips on TikTok now, but I'm not really that active on it besides that, but I still get quite some engagement, so that's really nice. Yeah, I think that's everything that I have to say for this video. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also check out my other videos as well because I put a lot of effort into them. See you in the next video. Bye bye.